Okay, they want to find the 12th term and the sum of the first 12 terms. This is the sequence over here. So the sequence is this. I write that down. The understanding that A1, and we've done many of these problems already, A1 is 1, and then I start computing the differences. Difference is 1 with this over here. Again, I'm not going to go through that. We've done that a number of times. So the D1 is 12. I keep doing it. The D2 is going to be 24. I keep doing it. I get 30. I keep doing it. And this is kind of a deep problem, right? D4 already, it's 20. But what do I know now? Everything that follows is going to be a 0. And this is critical. I only need to go to the level, this level over here, D4. All right, so we're going to do 12th term, A12. Kind of easy to write down, but the computation might be difficult. What do I get? A1, which is 1. 12 minus 1 times D1, which is 12. 12 minus 1, 12 minus 2 over 2 factorial times D2. We're going to do it until it peters out. Let's take a look. 12 minus 1, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 3 over 3 factorial, D3, which is 30. We've got to keep going. Plus 12 minus 1, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 3, 12 minus 4 over 4 factorial, D4, which is 20. And everything else that follows from that is going to be 0. So I get this number over here. And my expectation is when you compute that number, you're going to get this number over here. Yeah, use a calculator. Although you can do it by hand computation as well. Surprisingly so, Wells people did this by hand computation. They also want to get S12. So writing down S12, fairly easy. I kind of always like to write down what I'm looking for. S1 is this, the first term. S2 would be the sum of the first 2 terms. And S12 is the sum of the first 12 terms. Right, now, you could write all 12 terms down, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use the formula. The formula is Sn, and it peters out, which is great. So what's S12 going to be? N, which is 12. What's A1? If you can't remember, look it up. It's 1. And then 12. 12 minus 1 over 2 factorial times D1. What's D1? 12. I got that covered. 12. 12 minus 1 times 12 minus 2, yada, yada, yada. And we're going to get D2 now. What's D2? 24. We're going to get D3 now. What's the next term? 12. 12 minus 1, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 3 over 4 factorial. And then it's going to be that D4. What's D4? I'm sorry, D3, which is 30. And now I'm going to D4. 12, 12 minus 1, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 3, 12 minus 4, 5 factorial times 20. Let me just make sure that is there, D4. All right? So D1, D2, D3, D4. We did it. We got it. All right? By everything that follows is 0. And again, I hate to give it to you, but I did the computation too. I did this whole computation over here. Yeah, I probably used a calculator to do it. I can't remember. It's been a while ago. But I got this number. And I'm hoping you're getting that number too. But again, I want to remind you, if you're not getting the number and you're saying, oh, gee, I made a mistake, not beyond it, reach out to me. My name is Bannon. My email is also Bannon. B as in boy, the @ symbol, nnon.us. Thank you for paying attention.